Number 1.
2005 Big Bear Choppers Custom. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 6,000 miles. Location, Simpsonville, South Carolina. This 2005 Big Bear Choppers Custom is the definition of raw muscle and bold style, built to dominate the road and turn heads at every stoplight. With only 6,000 miles, it packs the monstrous Ultimo 127 Albrito engine, delivering heart-pounding power that's not for beginners. Every detail screams custom, from the 250mm rear wheel and flawless red finish to the fresh brakes, chain, and battery, all set up for worry-free cruising. Wired with a modern MotoGadget M unit, this chopper blends old-school attitude with new-age reliability. If you crave a machine that's more than just transportation, something loud, unapologetic, and unforgettable, this beast is waiting.
Number 2.
2005 Harley-Davidson Custom. Price, £1,234. Mileage, 5,000 kilometers. Location, Derby. This stunning 2005 Harley-Davidson Custom is a true showpiece, crafted with precision by Polar Cycles and lovingly maintained for over a decade. Its powerful 1200R engine, with just 5,000 kilometers on the clock, runs strong and delivers an unforgettable ride. Styled with bold custom paint, gleaming chrome wheels, nearly new Harley-Davidson tires, and distinctive bespoke exhausts, it commands attention wherever it goes. The cleverly engineered frame hides the oil tank for a seamless finish, while premium touches like performance machine brakes, custom clutch reservoir, and mirrors with integrated indicators elevate its design.
Number 3.
2003 Big Dog Custom Chopper. Price, $9,500. Mileage, 26,491 miles. Location, Williamson, Georgia. Here's a head-turning 2003 Big Dog Custom Chopper built for riders who crave style and raw power. Featuring a beefy S&S 107 engine with compression releases, it roars through the streets while staying smooth thanks to its meticulously tuned Mikuni carburetor and new HC system. This chopper is loaded with premium custom touches: a single-sided swing arm for a sleek profile, Martin Brothers exhaust that commands attention, RC components rims, and a custom air filter for maximum performance.
Number 4.
1984 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Negaunee, Michigan. Here's a rare 1984 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide with a true custom chopper soul. This hard-tailed beauty blends classic shovelhead charm with modern performance. A rebuilt top end, refreshed forks, and a fully overhauled 4-speed ratchet top transmission. The S&S Super B carb fuels its power while a 3-inch belt drive with a Barnett Scorpion lockup clutch delivers smooth acceleration. Featuring a reverse shift pattern, Frisco mid-pegs, and a matching Italian seat and pillion, this bike rides as aggressively as it looks. Newly powder-coated oil tank, fuel tank, and fender shine alongside a fresh rear tire, chain, and sprocket.
Number 5.
1997 California motorcycle company Rocket 88. Price, $3,950. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Step into classic American muscle with this 1997 California motorcycle company Rocket 88, powered by a reliable Harley-Davidson engine. With just 1,234 miles on the clock, this low-mileage gem has been meticulously cared for and rides like new. Its sleek black paint and chrome accents make a striking statement, while the manual transmission gives you full control over its smooth, powerful V-twin heart. Perfect for collectors or riders who crave a combination of vintage style and modern rideability, this Rocket 88 delivers both performance and presence on the open road. A rare find that's ready to roar wherever you take it.
Number 6.
2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Price, $14,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Butler, Pennsylvania. Turn heads with this 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster, a one-owner powerhouse built for thrill seekers. Under the hood, it features a transplanted 2006 883R motor, upgraded to a S&S 1200 Hooligan with only 300 miles on the engine and about 25 miles on the custom-built bike. The gas box frame, 49mm front end, and full custom paint make it a true showstopper, blending aggressive style with modern engineering. Untitled and ready for immediate registration in your name, this Sportster is perfect for anyone looking to own a low-mileage, high-performance machine straight from Speed Freak Motorsports in East Butler. Every detail screams quality, and the ride is as smooth as it is exciting.
Number 7.
2007 Bobber motorcycle. Price, $10,500. Location, Texarkana, Texas. Step into the world of pure custom craftsmanship with this 2007 Bobber motorcycle. Built on a Craft Tech rigid frame and powered by a roaring 127 Ci Ultima motor, it commands attention with a massive 240 rear tire and a 23-inch front wheel paired with a classic Springer front end. Freshly painted and meticulously maintained, this bike isn't just about looks, it's about performance and presence. Ideal for collectors and riders who crave a bold statement on the road, it's ready to ride or trade. Every curve, every detail, and every growl from the Ultima engine showcases a machine that's built to dominate the streets and turn heads at every corner.
Number 8.
2004 Honda VTX 1800. Price, $3,850. Mileage, 7,155 miles. Location, Greenville, South Carolina.
Oh yeah. This seat here is removable. You can pull it off, but it's really comfortable with it on.
Here's a rare gem for true VTX enthusiasts, A 2004 Honda VTX 1800 with only 7,155 miles, lovingly garage-kept and in pristine condition. Powered by a smooth 1,800 cubic centimeters engine with fuel injection and tuned with a power commander, this bike delivers both effortless cruising and thrilling performance. Finished in eye-catching metallic purple, nicknamed the Purple People Eater, it boasts brand new tires, a Mustang seat with removable backrests for rider and passenger, and a luggage rack for touring. Jordan tips cap off the factory pipes, giving it an aggressive yet refined growl. Recently serviced by Medicine Man Motorsports in Greer, South Carolina, with oil, plugs, and a full checkup completed, this Honda VTX is ready to hit the road immediately.
Number 9.
2010 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy FLSTF. Price, $7,900. Mileage, 11,800 miles. Location, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Turn heads wherever you ride with this stunning 2010 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy FLSTF, finished in a flawless blue paint scheme with gleaming chrome accents. With only 11,800 miles on the odometer, this Fat Boy combines classic Harley style with modern reliability. It features a Vance and Hines chrome exhaust for that signature growl, shiny chrome wheels, and leather travel bags for long-distance comfort. The bike also comes with a windshield, protective cover, and a comfortable passenger seat, making it perfect for both city cruising and open-road adventures.
Number 10.
1993 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. Price, $3,300. Mileage, 3,400 miles. Location, Fuquay Varina, NC. Here's a rare find for true Harley enthusiasts, a 1993 Sportster 1200 EVO with only 3,400 original miles. This red beauty has been meticulously garage-kept, preserving its pristine condition and classic Harley styling. Powered by the legendary 1,200 cubic centimeters Evolution engine, it delivers smooth, reliable power with the unmistakable Harley roar. The manual transmission shifts effortlessly, making it a joy on both city streets and open highways. With low miles and a clean, well-maintained finish, this Sportster is ready to be ridden, shown, and cherished by its next owner, an iconic piece of Harley history that's as bold as it is rare.
Number 11.
1200 Sportster Chopper. Price, $6,000. Location, Lexington, Kentucky. This custom-built 1200 Sportster Chopper is a true hardtail, with a gasbox frame that has been stretched 3 inches up and 3 inches raked for a classic, aggressive look. The bike is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters Evolution engine, a reliable and well-regarded Harley-Davidson powerplant. It's equipped with a variety of high-end custom parts, including an 18-inch over 70s Columbus Springer front end, a 21-inch spool hub front wheel, and a 16-inch rear wheel. The bike also features an F&A headlight, a vintage Iron Cross taillight, a breadbox air filter, and a Gusher Cycles sissy bar. The seller states that the bike starts, stops, and rides as it should, which is a good sign for a custom build. They also mention that the bike has 2 dents in the tank, which they believe can be removed.
Number 12.
2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, Cholo style. Price, $15,500. Mileage, 18,000 miles. Location, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail has been transformed into a Cholo-style custom build, a style rooted in Mexican-American lowrider culture and known for its distinctive appearance. Cholo-style bikes are typically characterized by a low, stretched-out look, lots of chrome, and long, upswept exhaust pipes, often called fishtails. The seller describes this as a new build, which implies that the customization work was recently completed. The bike's exterior is a vibrant red candy paint, and it features a 21-inch DNA front wheel paired with a 16-inch rear wheel.
Number 13.
2023 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. Price: $21,750. Mileage: 3,161 miles. Location: Ames, Iowa. This 2023 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse is a top-of-the-line bagger with a sleek, blacked-out style and a powerful engine. At the heart of this beast is the air-cooled Thunderstroke 116V twin engine, a massive 1890 cubic centimeters power plant that delivers a huge amount of torque, making it a joy to ride on both city streets and long highways. The bike is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen powered by Indian's Ride Command System, which includes turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay integration, ensuring a modern and connected riding experience.
Number 14.
2003 Big Dog Motorcycles Mastiff. Price: $8,250. Mileage: 12,900 miles. Location: Mayville, Michigan. This 2003 Big Dog Mastiff is a custom-built motorcycle with a classic chopper look and a powerful engine. Big Dog motorcycles are known for their custom choppers and cruisers, and the Mastiff is one of their most popular models, known for its stretched-out look and wide rear tire. This particular bike has 12,900 miles on the odometer and is finished in a striking red exterior. Most Big Dog Mastiffs from this era were powered by a large displacement S&S V-twin engine, which is known for its immense torque and reliability.
Number 15.
1980 Honda CB750 Chopper. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 12,345 miles. Location: Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas. This 1980 Honda CB750 has been transformed from a stock bike into a custom chopper. The Honda CB750 is a legendary motorcycle known for its powerful four-cylinder, dual overhead camshaft (DOHC) engine, which was a revolutionary design at the time. This particular bike started as a clean, good-running stock machine, which is an excellent foundation for a custom build. The seller notes that trades are welcome, which gives a buyer some flexibility. This bike is an ideal choice for someone who wants to own a custom chopper with a reliable and well-regarded engine without the high price tag of a Harley-Davidson or a ground-up custom build.
Number 16.
2009 Honda Rebel 250. Price: $1,750. Mileage: 4,722 miles. Location: Wayland, Michigan. This 2009 Honda Rebel 250 is a popular and reliable cruiser, known as an excellent motorcycle for beginners due to its low seat height and manageable size. It's powered by a 234 cubic centimeters air-cooled parallel twin engine, a simple and bulletproof power plant that has been in use for many years. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and delivers smooth, predictable power, which makes it perfect for new riders or for zipping around town.